Let's talk about topics. Topics are a great way for you to be able to organize your Google Classroom because as your Google Classroom grows and you fill it with information, it becomes that stack of paper on the corner of your desk that becomes quite an eyesore for both you and your students. So topics is Google Classroom's solution for keeping organized. There's a couple different ways that you can create topics. If I'm in my classwork section of Google Classroom, and I click on my Create button, you'll notice that I have an area for topics. So in thinking about your classroom, you can create your topics ahead of time so that you have a place for all of your work to go. Think about your topics as being very easy to search. So by unit or by novel or by standard that you're working on. I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Topic, and a tiny little box will pop up where I can add topics. So if I just want to add a section for resources, I'm going to click Add, and now I have a topic for resources. So you see that it stands out just a little bit. I can always move that. Resources I typically would put at the bottom. So I can go over to the right-hand side where I see the three dots, and I can move this topic down so I can order the topics however they make sense inside of that particular classroom. I can also add topics if I'm inside of an assignment of some sort. So I'm going to come back to this fun quiz that we created, and I'm going to edit it. And you'll notice on the right-hand side, there's a section for topics. When I drop this down, I can either move it to my reading topic or my resource topic, or I can create a new topic directly from here. So I'm going to have a topic just for quizzes. And then I'm going to go ahead and assign this. And click Assign. And now on my classwork page, we're going to see that I have a topic for quizzes and I have that quiz that we created earlier. So as I'm creating those topics, notice on the left-hand side that those topics are automatically building navigation. So as my classwork section gets bigger, students can just jump in and go, oh, I need to go to the resource section, and they can jump down to the resource section. Just a little tip that's kind of fun is inside these topics, sometimes it's helpful to put some sort of emoji there so that it's easier for students to find. So if I use this Emojipedia here, and if I'm doing a quiz, or say reading, let's do a book for reading, so that's easy. So here is books. And I'm going to click on it, and this is going to copy it for me. And then I can come back over and I can rename this. And in front, I'm just going to do it Control V so that it has, it pastes that emoji on there. And I'm going to click Rename. And it's just a little way to help students associate with a particular word. So those are topics. Check those out.